Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore washing machine and it's giving you a small d, small t error and you're going, uh-oh, what is this? And how do I get rid of it? So hopefully you don't get this, because basically the DT is when it goes into a diagnostic state for like a technician to work on it, because there could be a problem really anywhere in the machine. So what you need to do is, if you hit the stop cancel, you clear it out. Hopefully it doesn't come back. If it comes back, then you want to do a hard restart on the washing machine. So that's turn it off and disconnect it from power completely. Either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker. And leave it disconnected for a full 5 minutes. Then plug it back in, turn it back on. And hopefully, once you've done that, this DT error won't come back. If it does come back, at that point, you're going to need to call a technician to come out and figure out what's going on to fix your washing machine. Because this could really be a whole variety of things. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.